serious?
Yes, ma'am.
You're going to boom me?
Who?
Are you expecting anyone?
Who? Who? Jesus!
She was dead.
Ella! What are you doing with this story like that?
Father, that's a gun you're having. You're holding a gun. Dad, just bring it out, please.
So this has been going on in my house without my knowledge. You think I will allow you to define my house?
No, Dad, no. Okay, look, we've been together for a while now. He loves me. I love him too. We are dating.
Then you love him.
Please. Please. No, Dad. No.
You think I will allow you? I won't spare you.
Father, you have a gun.
Now listen. I won't spare you.
No.
I won't spare you.
Father, what have you done? Stay. Father, what have you done? You killed him. You killed my man. Stay.
Chief. Chief, I need 500k. Yes. My rent is about to expire and I need to renew it. Just 500,000. No.
Godwin, are you out of your mind? Has it been long I gave you 15 million naira? You invested in your business. You've not given me details of how you spend it, and here you are, demanding another 500,000.
Oh, Chief! How much is 15 million naira? Oh, you give me 15 million naira. So what? How much is it? I am your only brother. Since our parent died, you've been a father figure in my life. So what if you give me 15 million naira? My brother is a billionaire. 15 million naira is nothing compared to what you're worth. I'm only asking for 500k. And my 500k just to sort my rent out. My landlord is on my neck, Chief. I'm not leaving this place. If you don't give me that 500,000 naira, I won't leave this place.
You know what? You are an ingrate. Huh? You are a beast. A nincompoop. A fool. Do you know what 15 million naira is in today's economy? Godwin.
Chief.
Get out of my house. Hmm? You have me right. I said get out.
By the way.
That's the gate. Leave my house. Now.
By the way, you're asking me, your only brother, to leave your house. Like, you want me to leave your house?
Godwin, you heard me right. If you don't leave, I will have you thrown out.
Please, you're very wicked! You're a very wicked man. Listen, I'm not leaving this place until you give me the 500k. Yes! You must give me the 500,000 I asked for. How can I have a billionaire brother like yourself and yes, a mere 500,000 that you can't give to me? Okay, who cares about the 15 million naira you gave to me some years back? Should I depend on that for the rest of my life? I need 500k, chief. I can't go back home without that money. My landlord is on my neck and I need it.
You are threatening me. You are threatening me. Security! Hey, this last boy.
Chief, you regret this. By the way, you will reject this. Just watch and see. You are going to regret everything you've been doing to me. I'm a billionaire as a brother now. I'll be liking the 500,000.
By the way, listen. If you don't account for that 15 million naira, every details of the express on what you invested in that business, you spend the rest of your life in jail. Idiot.
We'll see.
Hello, dear.
Hello? Can you imagine that old fool I call another brother? He did not only chase me out of his house, he said I shouldn't come anywhere around him, all because I demanded for 500k. Yes. He will not abandon me like that, oh. I will teach him a lesson he will never forget in a hurry. He must give me any amount of request from him must be given to me. Yes. He asked me to leave this house. He even called me a nincompoop, an idiot. He called me all sorts of names. You know what? I'll call you back later, okay? Let me sort this issue out first, okay? I'll call you back. Rubbish.
Back on the line. I am yet to receive. I'm yet to confirm the payment of 100 million naira. My friend, don't tell me, don't give me shit. What do you mean? Help! Please. Whatever I want, I'll give you. Don't kill me. Spare my life. I'll give you money. I have money here, please. Ah!
Jesus. Thank God it's a dream. It's just a dream. Nothing will happen to my father. I bind it, I rebuke it in Jesus' name. Nothing will happen to him. I reject it. I send back the spirit of death back to its owner and back to hell. Never.
Yes. How was the night?
It was fine, Dad. Dad, I had a really bad dream last night. Someone shot you in the dream and it was so real.
Well, it's just a dream. Dreams are mere fantasies, you know?
Dad, this was more than a dream.
I know.
I woke up really scared. It was real.
It shouldn't be. You see, dreams just documentation or pictorial.
Daddy, it's not that. But we still have to pray about it.
There is no problem. I'll pray, but nothing will happen to me.
I know, but then we have to be careful still.
Definitely, we have to be careful and security conscious. Come in.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
There is a young man outside. He said he's here to see you, sir.
Young man?
Oh, that should be the electrician.
Oh, take him downstairs to the sitting room. Tell him to wait for me.
Okay, sir. Dad, I have to go prepare for work.
That's all right. You just be careful.
You should be more careful.
Sure. Don't bother yourself.
I'll see you later.
That's all right. Dreams? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is that how you people behave here? Anybody that comes, you give the person bottled water.
Yes. Manage it.
I should manage bottled water.
Yeah.
Please, I hope there is extra room. Thank you very much, don't mind me.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Good morning. Young man, how are you? Sit down. Are you the electrician from Zenko Engineering? Yes, sir. Good. Well, I have some electrical malfunction in this house, and Justice told me that he has a professional. Because all the electricians who brought in here, none of them could fix it. But he assured me he has someone who is a professional. Are you the one, or do I expect another?
As a matter of fact, sir, I am a professional when it comes to electrical works. And I've been with that company for many years now. Yes, trust me, we won't disappoint you. In fact, my friends call me lighter because anywhere I go, I connect people's light.
That's all right. Oh, well. In that case, let me take you around. Yes.
Can I bring my water?
Oh, no, not at all. You don't need it. You have a lot.
Oh, you must be the electrician.
Yes. Sorry if I scared you. I was just trying to trace the fault.
Have you found the fault yet?
So I need to visit all the rooms, including the toilets, before finding the fault.
My daughter, you are here.
Yeah, I was trying to find out if he has found the fault yet, but it looks like he's still to find it.
Later you take him to your room so that you fix the rest of the faults there.
Maybe you should come now because I'm running late for work.
Okay.
Alright, this way.
All right.
with you and my father, because you're acting really strange.
Ask your father when you see him.
Wait, did my father do something wrong? I don't know, I'm confused.
Listen, Ella. When you get home, you ask your father, okay? Huh? Your father thinks he can render me useless in this town, huh? Huh? Listen, I will not allow your father render me useless in this town. It's not possible. Omame.
I only asked you how you're doing and you kept quiet. The next thing you're shouting. What's causing this?
What has your father done for me? Eh? What has that elder brother of mine done for me? Yes. That I will not do if I'm in his position, eh? Now listen, if you get home, tell him that if God put me in this position, I'll do more better than him. Yes.
My father has been of help to you in several ways. He has given you money, he's assisting you. So why are you complaining?
You see the talk. How much your father don't give me? They run your mouth like tap. Go and tell your father if I'm in his position, I'll do more better than him.
You don't have to shout, we're on the road, please. I don't know why you're always paranoid and angry. I only ask because I care.
When I have 500k, your father will give me. You're yet saying rubbish. Go and tell your father, if I'm in his position as a billionaire, I will do more better than him. Never I caught you.
Imagine one idiot I call my brother. Imagine him laying a curse on me. He even went further to tell my sister that I did nothing for him. Can you imagine that?
Chief, I would advise you tread softly with your brother. Yes, keep him at arm's length. Such a person is dangerous if you ask me.
No matter how dangerous he is, if he dares me, I'll lock him up.
That brings me to the point, Chief. That brings me to the point. I've advised you take another wife. Yes. You need a male child. It's over a decade since you lost your wife. Chief, you need a male child who will continue your legacy when you're no longer there.
Must you? Barister, must you remind me of my late wife? Must you remind me of a very sad event that happened over 10 years ago, must you? Of what need is a male child when I have a daughter who is so resourceful, so hardworking, intelligent. She is capable of handling my factories and companies. See, all I'm praying for is for God to grant her a resourceful young man who will love her the same way I loved her mother. That's all.
Chief, you have said this countless times. You have said this so many times. But let it be as you have wished. My advice again. Keep your brother at arm's length.
Well, I will.
In that case, I'll prepare the documents, then bring them over to your house for your appendage.
That's all right. I'll do just right.
It's okay.
I've told you to forget about this.
Are you going to be angry forever because of someone who is obviously enjoying himself in his house by now?
Baby, I cannot continue to suffer like this. When I have a rich, sophisticated brother who is a billionaire, the CEO of Mbadiwe Company Limited. Baby, check it now. What the wrong man? Listen, okay, fine. He gave me 50 million to start a business. And this business crumbled, which you are aware of. I couldn't do well at that business. That's not enough reason for my brother to abandon me now. No. My brother cannot abandon me in this town. No. It cannot happen. It cannot happen. You don't understand. You can't abandon me like this.
You bother yourself too much. This particular man we are talking about here does not have a male child. And you happen to be his only brother. You should be rejoicing.
How do you mean?
Does he have another brother?
He has a daughter, Ella.
Yes. He has a daughter. But this daughter is going to get married someday. And she will go and live in her husband's house. Or are you going to allow another man inherit your brother's wealth?
Babe, I didn't think of this.
Okay.
The place where I come from, women don't partake in sharing of properties. So, once he dies, his properties and everything he owns belongs to me.
Exactly.
Yes!
So stop bothering yourself.
The inevitable will happen. I will now become the CEO.
Exactly. Relax now.
I never thought of this, baby. You're such a genius. You're a she-devil.
How long do you think he still has to live on Earth?
Nobody lives forever. The inevitable will definitely happen.
Hey!
Hi.
Are you not the guy that came to fix the electrical issue we had in the house the other day? The electrician, it's you.
You know, due to the nature of my job, I see many faces all the time. So forgive me if I can't remember.
No, Chief's house. Chief Mbadiwe's house.
Oh, number 10.
Yes, that's the house.
Yes.
Long time. I'm glad to see you. You know, when I saw you coming, I knew it was you.
Yes, so it's
The
me.
uniform and the bag.
Yes.
Oh, so where are you headed?
I'm going to the number 34. Chief said I should come.
What?
Yes, now.
My father's office? That's where I'm going.
Are you serious?
Yeah, we could just go together. First, what's your name?
My name is Steve, but they call me Transformer.
Transformer.
Yes, because I bring light anywhere I go.
That's funny. It's cute though.
What's your name?
I'm Ella, Chief's daughter.
Wow. You're such a beauty.
Thank you.
You are as beautiful as your name.
So do you mind?
I will really love you.
Come in, you're funny.
Dad? We were about saying something before Mercy came in. What was that?
Oh yeah, it's about Steve, the electrician.
Okay, what about him?
I placed him on salary.
Oh.
Steve, henceforth he will be both a company and a house electrician.
Alright, that's fine. But what about the people he works for? Are they going to let him?
Well, Steve is a smart young man. He can combine. He'll be here and there. He knows his onions.
I think he's cool. I think he's smart.
Yes, he is.
Dad, there's something else that I want to talk about with you too.
Go ahead.
I don't know.
But I think you should just give Uncle what he's asking for. I mean, we all know you to be the mature one. We all know you to be the one that wants peace. Just give him what he's asking for. I don't want him harboring evil plans towards you.
Godwin is a fool. A nincompoop. Such an ingrate. Look, Godwin will never smell a dime from me again.
Father, you don't have to act stubborn all times. Okay, fine, he's a troublesome one. But what is he asking for? Just small money. It's 500,000 naira we're talking about. It's not something big. You have it. You can afford it. Why not give him and let peace reign?
Oh, well, he dare not try any evil on me.
You never can tell. He's very petty.
If he tries it, he'll be locked up and will never see the surface of his head again.
You know, sometimes I try to understand between you and him, who is actually more stubborn.
It's not a matter of being stubborn, it's about principle. Godwin lacks character. He's a big fool.
It's fine, Father.
An ingrate.
It's fine.
Scallywag. Nonsense.
Just eat, okay? Sorry. Eat. I don't know why Dad is proven to be stubborn. Just give Uncle Godwin the money. It's small money. 500k. He wants to drag and drag and drag. Eh? Hey God. What if that dream comes to reality? What if Uncle Godwin tries to... No. I have to sort this whole thing my way.
Wait! Take your phone.
Like, I don't pick this call.
Come on.
Free this girl. Why is she calling me? After what her father did to me. Just drop the phone back, please.
Why don't you want to take it? Just speak. Come on, go ahead. Take your phone.
Hello, Uncle Godwin. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. What do you want?
Uncle, look, I know you're not in good terms with my father. I know you're mad at him. But please, can you hear me out? I want to have this whole thing sorted out, please.
What do you want to sort out? Eh? After your stupid, stingy father insulted me, all because I asked him for a mere 500k. Go and see. What is 500k to your father? A billionaire for that matter. Please, I'm not.
Uncle, just calm down. Okay, look, I apologize on his behalf, okay? I know that sometimes my father can be a handful, but see what I'm going to do. I'm going to send you the money. Just forward your account details to my WhatsApp. I'll send the money to you.
You know what? If you want me to forgive your father for all the insults he rained on me, I'm no longer taking the 500k. It has to be 1 million.
What? What? 1 million? You asked for 500k. Why are you asking for 1 million now? What? Fine, it's fine. Just send your account number to me. I will send you the money.
Okay, I'll send my account details to you.
Uncle, wait, hold up, wait, just wait. If I send you this money, you have to promise me that you stay off my father and do not cause trouble. He's your brother. You guys are meant to fight, but then don't take it to the heart. It's nothing personal. You know, Dad is getting old and sometimes he has to nag. Alright, send it. Fine, thank you.
$1 million. Dear billionaire, you must. You know what? Let me go ahead and send it to you. Yes. Before that girl changes her mind.
Please. Hurry.
Wait now.
Or send mine now. Send my own account.
No, let me send mine. Looks tricky.
Okay.
Send.
You're here?
Yes, I came to see your father. Please help me thank him more. He just employed me. Your father gave me a job.
In this company?
Yes.
Wow. So you work here now?
I now work here.
That's nice. So you now work in 2 companies?
Yes, so.
Steve. That's nice. I'm proud of you.
I'm so excited.
Come.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Thank you very
That's
much.
nice.
Thank you.
You're so hardworking.
Thank you.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you very much.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
I'll see you around then.
All right.
Sure.
Thank you. Bye. Ciao.
Why do I feel like I have this soft spot for him? I feel so excited and happy whenever he's around. I smile more than I'm supposed to. Ella, you better remember who your father is. You can't fall in love with this ordinary Ella.
Tony.
Every day they say is for the thief, but just one day for the owner of the house.
I know thief the money I borrowed.
Oh, boss, Basigo.
You cannot say I thief no money I borrowed.
For 2 years, 2 good years, I borrowed you money to take care of your sick mom. Eh? And but finally, I caught you today. Where my money?
What are friends for? Are they run? Are you not aware? They are owing us now. They have not paid us 3 months salary. So where will I get money from? I told you, give me till month and I will pay. I just got a new job. By end of the month, they will pay us salary and I will pay you. Why are you shouting?
Me? No, shouting?
Carry my microphone, tell everybody I owe you.
Did you just say I'm shouting?
Before, Uncle, is this how to talk to people?
Is that how you have to say? Okay, you're joking. Give me my money. Yeah. Give me my money. Give me my 50,000.
Don't start what you can't finish. Are you mad?
Okay, give me my money. Give me my 50K. What is it?
Guy.
See, if you don't give me this money today, one like that, me and you go die here.
Now you go die here.
I say give me my money. What is it?
Guy.
What is it?
Be careful.
What? You go give me my money today.
See.
If you don't give me my money, we go die here.
See.
You go die, I'm gonna... See, bro. Wait, you don't want me? You don't want me?
What do you want? What do you want?
Madam, who are you?
No, who are you? What do you want?
You know him. Who invited you here?
You're very stupid. Are they wrong?
Okay, fine. Fine and good. I borrowed him money to use and take care of his sick mom. This is 2 years. 2 good years. He kept on running. Oh, what's up? Today I finally caught him.
Wait, because I'm only 50,000 naira, you're embarrassing me.
How much is the money?
Just 50,000 naira.
It's 50.
Just 50K.
Just 50.
Wait, I'm coming. I'm
And
bringing
you
the
couldn't
money.
pay.
Hold on.
Is it not just?
You will give me this money today.
That I don't have money on me does not mean I'm poor.
You don't have it. Where is it? And you could not pay for 2 years.
That I don't have money does not mean I don't have money. I'm poor.
Okay, you will give me this money today. Nothing you want to tell me. Nothing.
Keep the balance.
Balance. You're very lucky. you should just thank her and be thankful to your God. If not, you just say about gra.
Come on,
Me and you will for die here today.
Now you go die
No,
here.
give me you.
Now you go die here.
Don't worry.
Come for here.
Don't worry.
He's my friend though.
Rubbish.
I'm sorry, please don't mind me. I've lost my appetite. I'm sorry.
Don't you think you were owing him for too long? You should have paid him. That was a serious fight.
I told him to exercise patience, that I will pay him by the end of the month. He refused. And me, I don't have that money.
What I'm saying is the fight. I'm not blaming you for not being able to pay his money. But then, indulging in that fight was too dangerous. What if something wrong would have happened? I don't know, but it's not good to fight like that.
I'm sorry, okay? It will never happen again. It was out of anger. I don't have the money and I told him, calm down. By month's end, from the salary your father will pay me, I will now sort him. But he wouldn't listen. I'm sorry about that.
So you're saying the other companies you work for have not paid you?
No, they're owing us for 3 months now. Everybody knows.
I'm really sorry. It's fine. Anyways, I'm happy that we paid him.
Thanks for coming to my rescue. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
It's okay. You don't have to fight.
I promise I won't fight again. Thank you once again.
You can fight though. You know how to fight.
Thank you.
So I'm headed somewhere. I don't know if when I'm coming back I could. Maybe I should have your number.
Of course.
Because I might leave there really late. I wouldn't have time to, stop by. So just have your number.
Okay.
Sure.
All right. I'll be expecting your call, though.
All right, sure.
Thank
I'll call you.
Very much.
I'll call you.
Let's go.
All right. Bye.
Careful now, your feet. Oh my goodness. Wait. Jeez.
Don't play with myself, sir.
Baby, you need to help me.
You don't play with my tube, sir.
Oh my goodness.
You don't play with my tube, sir. Oh, man.
Baby, you're going to me.
You don't play with my tube, sir. Yeah. Don't play with my tube, sir. Yeah.
Dad, I'm sorry, I almost forgot your call.
I've been waiting for it.
Hello, Angie. I'll call you back, okay? Sure. Alright, Father, good night.
Ella.
Sir?
Let's not forget, the electrician will be here tomorrow. So tell Messi to include him in the lunch.
Wait. What? Well, what I mean is he's going to be having lunch with us?
Of course. You have any problem with it?
No. Dad?
Are you alright?
That's really tough. Good night, Father.
Good night.
Hello? Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah. Sorry, when you called, I was my father. Yeah. I had to call you before now, but I was so busy. How are you? You go home safe? Yeah, I went to work today. It was kind of hectic. I had a long day at work. You're fine? No, not bad. Just slight headache. But I have some painkillers. I took them. It's fine. You can call me whenever you want. Tomorrow morning? It's fine. Alright, good night. Alright, bye. I think it's nice. It's cool.
Be careful who you
Thank you. You're welcome.
Merci.
Sir,
Where is the electrician?
he's still working, sir.
Get him here.
Father, do you like the food? This is good. Yeah.
I'm here, Chief. Come on. Sit down.
No, this way. Yeah. You drop the bag.
That's your food.
Do you want help?
Thank you very much. Bon appetit.
Enjoy your meal.
No, I really don't know how to use a cutlery.
He's going to learn, Father. The knife, the fork. Just cut.
Enjoy your meal. Thank you, sir.
Do you like the food?
Yes.
Why are you laughing?
Please
I'm
tell me you're
serious.
joking right now.
I'm not joking, I'm serious. Look, I'm in love with this guy. I have feelings for him. There's this soft spot that I have for him. I know his love.
An electrician.
Doesn't matter. Why do you guys act like there's something different about being an electrician? He's a normal man. He's a guy. He's handsome and he's caring.
Who's talking about being handsome here or nice here? Your dad will skin you alive if you ever said this before him.
Well, funny enough, my father likes him.
We're talking about marriage here, babes. What can this guy offer to the daughter of Chief by the way marriage?
Oh, God.
Please come out of that illusion, please.
It's not an illusion, Nancy. It's reality. It's how, that's what I feel. For goodness sakes, this guy is a human being too.
Human being my foot. Do not allow your father to hear this from you because he will say he's disappointed in you. after being a good and a caring father to you.
I just can't believe that even you, my friend, is saying this. Everyone is acting as if being broke is a crime. Is it his fault that he wasn't born into a rich family? I'm tired. Why is the world so mean to poor people? Eh?
Sorry.
Why are you laughing?
Steve, you're joking with your life. Listen, let me tell you, that girl's father will not just have you fired. He's going to have you arrested also.
Why? How? Listen, that girl loves me. You don't know what I'm saying. I can see it in her eyes. She loves me. If I begin to date that girl, my life will change. Now imagine this, we've not even started. She's the one that gave me the 50,000 naira I use in clearing your debts.
Okay? Whether she loves you or not, honestly, I don't care. What I'm telling you is that you should leave that girl alone now, guy. Face your work. Eh? That girl is not on the same level. She's not on the same class with you, my guy.
Mba, don't insult me.
She will get size. There are so many fishes in the river. Bend down, select.
My brother, I will not tolerate that insult from you.
Me insulting you?
Yes.
Because I'm telling you the truth?
Because I am an electrician does not make me less of a man. Mba. My money I no get, I still be man. So please, don't insult me. Huh? What sort of friend are you? You should be happy that I'm falling in love with a rich man's daughter. This love might even change my life. You're here telling me she get signed. I should avoid her. I should face my work. Does falling in love affect my work?
Well, I have told you my mind. Eh? But you should know that you are digging your grave.
You're very stupid.
Yes, you are digging your grave, my friend. Do not say I did not warn you, because when it will happen, I'll just laugh at you.
Now you they dig your own grave. Now you they dig your own. You see why I know they like to tell you something? I said now you they dig your own grave, idiot. Small thing why I tell you now, instead of you to support me, you are here discouraging me. In fact, I regret telling you this good news. Bye-bye.
No, they like.
I regret telling you this.
You know they like good news.
Bye-bye, sir.
Do not say I did not warn you. Do not say I did not warn you, guy. Well, now, she be me and you did this town. We go see now.
Ella! What are you doing with this fool in that?
Father, that's a gun you're having. You're holding a gun. Dad, just bring it out, please.
So this has been going on in my house without my knowledge. You think I will allow you to define my house?
No, Dad, no. Okay, look, we've been together for a while now. He loves me. I love him too. We are dating.
The new love.
Please. Please. No, Dad. No.
You think I will allow you? I won't spare you.
Father, you have a gun.
Now listen. I won't spare you.
No.
I won't spare you.
Father, what have you done? Steve! Father, what have you done? You killed him! You killed my man! Steve! What have you done? Kill me! Don't do anything! Who's that? Who's that?
I heard you shout now. Oh, calm down.
No, Dad, just stay away. Stay away, please.
You had a nightmare, I guess. Oh, it's a nightmare.
You killed someone. You killed someone special to me. You shot him. Right before my eyes. I asked you not to, but you're a murderer.
Who else could be close to you other than me, your father? You don't have any man in your life yet. Or have you started seeing someone? Talk to me. I'm asking you.
Dad, I want to go back to sleep.
Go back to sleep. Tomorrow we'll trash it, eh? Be careful.
Fine, I'll just lock my door. After you.
I have been asking you for the umpteenth time. Who is that young man?
Father, it's someone that you know. And it's not been long that we started seeing each other.
Someone that I should know. How?
You know him. It's actually someone that you cherish. So I'm convinced that you're going to like him.
I hope it's not what I am thinking. Chief Douglas' son, Iwuka.
No. Far from that. Like I said before, Father, you like him. Just relax, okay? You're going to meet him soon. You like him for sure.
Anyways, I have explicit confidence and trust in you. You have never disappointed me, and I know you will not disappoint me this time around.
I won't, Father. You like him, I promise. Just relax. It's cool.
Well,
very cool.
The 1 million naira chief daughter sent to me has finished. I don't even have 100,000 naira which Regina requested from me for her shopping. How do I raise another money now? I think I have to sell my 2 shops since I do not have goods in them again. Yes, that is what I will do. I will call some agents tomorrow to help me get buyers as quickly as possible.
Have you seen the buffoon that calls himself my brother? Somebody have spent countless of millions to transform him into a normal human being.
Father, what did Uncle Godwin do again?
Godwin is so shameless. I got a report this afternoon that he has sold the 3 shops I bought for him. Can you imagine that?
Why?
What else? Other than women, liquor.
Wait, so he sold the shops you bought for him to start up with?
I was even told that he was living with one useless woman because he has been evicted from his former abode.
But he has to go to the rehab. It's your brother. You need to send him there.
Rehabilitation or no rehabilitation, I am done with Godwin. I have no business again with him.
Let him just go his way, please.
I'm so sorry. Just relax, okay?
Who be that? Hey, okay, electrician. The only transformer on where they give the whole world lights. Okay, electrician, you they smell fresh. And this your perfume where you spray, eh? Hey, to look nice. Be like say today na special day.
You will hype me into trouble. Today is a blessed day. Every day is blessed. I beg, I want to see Chief.
It is, Voila. Hey, okay, electrician. This one will get electrician fresh like this. This smell nice. Hey! Still a very special deal. Okay, electrician, you go give me that your perfume. Look at the spray up my body, man. Don't go the smell crap. Oh.
Okay? What are you saying? Sounds what?
Fine. You look beautiful.
You look nice.
Thank you.
Oh. Dad.
Good day, sir.
Oh, Steve. Sir. You didn't tell me you were coming. Sit down. Yeah. So how are you? Good. Yeah. Ella, did you call the young man you are waiting for to find out if he's still coming?
Dad, he's here. He's here with us.
Who is here? What? Who?
It's Steve. Steve, of course. He's the one.
Just wait. Is it some sort of joke or prank or what?
No, it's not a joke, sir. The truth is, I genuinely love your daughter, and I want to spend the rest of my life with her.
I love you too, Father. We love each other so much. We want to be together.
It's alright.
Babe, I don't trust this is. It's alright.
Baby, not to worry. Let me go and talk to him, okay?
Please.
I'll be back. Dad? Dad? What are you doing? Father! Father, wait! Dad! Dad! What are you doing?
My house!
Ah! What are you doing? What are you doing? Check me out! Dad, wait! Father, wait!
Hey, wow, Jesus!
Why did you send him away?
Shh. Ogene!
Father, but I love him.
Has he gone?
I love him.
Get inside.
What you're doing is not fair. I don't like it.
Get inside! Ogene!
Sir! Sir! Okay, sir. Sir! Sir!
Any day I see that idiot into this compound again, I will shoot you and distribute your carcass to the bunch of idiot. Yes, sir. Will you get to here? Sorry, sir. Hi, come here. Drop that kid. Drop that kid.
Hey! I don't die.
Hey, sir. Come on.
Stop, please. Stop. What the fuck?
Which was on me? What's going on? What come you say she like the electrician? Come on, electrician. Hey! This one will be true. Jesus said, Oga, I don't go open the gate. I don't go open gate. Oh, don't kill me. Go send my cops to my village. Jesus. Come on.
You won't believe what happened.
Tell me.
What my eyes saw today. Ella's father almost killed me. That man chased me out of his house with a gun.
You serious?
With a real gun. You needed to see how Ella was begging him to accept me. For where the man chased me out. Like, not even asking me out. He chased me out.
Sorry, excuse me. Excuse me, my
What's
bad.
funny? What's funny?
My bad. What's not funny? No, why shouldn't I laugh? Eh? Did I not warn you? I warned you now, my brother. I warned you, but instead you picked offense with me.
Wonder.
Yes, you got mad with me and you said I was wrongly advising you. You called me names. You said I was insulting you. Blah, 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 blah. That was what you said to me.
Is this what you're supposed to say now? I just told you what happened. You're supposed to be a friend. Console me. Tell me less reply. Why are you always on the negative part of everything?
Well, you should be grateful to your God. Yes, you should be thankful to God for at least for saving your life. Now, this man did not just chase you out of his house, but now you've equally lost your job. Yes. Now, how am I going to tell someone out there that a friend of mine lost his job just because of a woman? Does this sink well?
Must you tell anybody? Must you tell anybody? Yalla.
You see? This is all I get for giving you good advice. This is what I get for giving you good advice.
I've been looking for love. I finally find in love. I need no obstacles. This is the choice I've made. Oh, I've been searching for love. I found someone that gladdens my heart.
Auntie Ella.
I need no obstacles.
Auntie Ella. Dinner is served. Chief is waiting at the dining. Please open the door.
Love is not measured by class.
Auntie Ella.
I have found the one I want.
Mercy, get out! Just shut up and get out!
I've been looking for love. I finally find in love. I need no obstacles. This is the choice I've made.
Where is she?
She did not answer me, sir.
What is wrong with Ella? She has not eaten her food since afternoon. Something must be wrong.
Sir, are you sure all is well with her? You need to find out what is really going on.
It's alright, go. I'll go to her room. You can go.
Okay, sir.
This is not Ella, my daughter. This boy must have done something to her. If I find out.
I've been looking for love. I finally find in love. I need no obstacles. This is the choice I've made. Oh, I've been searching for love. I found someone that gladdens my heart.
Ella, please open door for your dad.
Dad, go! Just let me be, go!
Love is not measured by class.
I want us to talk.
There is nothing to talk about. Just leave. Leave me in peace.
Ella. Now listen. Open the door. I want to talk to you. I have the best of your interests at heart. It's your happiness that I want. Please, open the door, let's talk. I'm your father. Don't lock door against your dad.
Daddy, please, just leave. Go. I don't want to talk to you. There is nothing to talk about. Just go.
I've been looking for love. I finally find in love. I need no.
Can you leave?
This is the choice I've made. I've been searching for love. I found someone that gladdens my heart. I didn't know obstacles.
Go!
For the past 2 days now, my daughter has locked herself inside the house. Sorry, who is this young man you're talking about? He's ordinary electrician I employed. I saw the potential in him and I decided to have him as my personal staff. Little did I know that he has his eyes on my daughter. This is ridiculous. But come to think of it, why would your daughter fall for a low life like that? Why? Listen, I know doubt in African science. That boy must have used some form of charms on her. I mean, he must have bewitched her. Bewitched her? Well, I am not doubting you, Chief, but you need to be very sure if your daughter is in her right senses. I'll have that boy arrested. I will make his life miserable. It's okay. Chief, if you permit me, I would like to speak to your daughter. 2 witnesses is better than one. Will she listen to you? That is my worry. But anyway, if you insist, we can proceed. Let's pray we'll have a solution. Don't worry. She will listen to me. I think I have less on my decks now. We can proceed. Okay, sure we can.
Welcome, sir.
As my daughter opened.
No, sir. She has been indoors crying.
I don't know why this girl wants to starve herself to death. What is all this?
Chief, it's okay. Let's go inside.
All right, let's go.
Listen. It's not. I don't see your girl getting sick. Is she sick?
Oga's daughter locked herself inside. I don't know what happened.
You sure say this matter no get anything to do with Oga electrician?
Oga electrician? How?
You know say Oga pikin tell Oga say she love Oga electrician. Now God na Oga use pursue electrician come for this compound. And that day, he come want me say any day where I open this gate for Oga electrician, you go shoot me, carry my cups, sell for my village. And I know my village will see my cups. Now bad news be that too.
Where was I that day?
Hey, that day when you go market now, you see you always like go cook and all that. See, I never feel Oga rich as I feel Oga that day. Oga threatened me, say if I open this gate, I don't die. And my village will not go receive my cups. I don't want to die. So you see that gate, I go mount them. I don't go open for anybody.
Hey, I can't believe nonsense.
Oh.
Hey, see again, I don't believe you. Yes.
Every time
Auntie Ella cannot bring herself so low like that.
Yes. Every time I carry better G's, good gist wey go sweet your belly. You go tell me say you no believe me. You don't ever believe me.
They go.
One day you go believe me.
Thank
you for your mother. I give you better gift.
Ella, open the door. Barister God is here to see you.
Ella, can you please open? I'm here to see you.
Ella, please open. Trust me, I will not enter with him. He wants to have a chat with you. Barister, are you sure my daughter is still alive?
Yeah, Chief, she's alive.
This is the fourth day she locked herself in here. No water, no food. I'm no longer comfortable.
Oh, beautiful Ella. Beautiful Ella. Please, can you open the door? Your dad is worried.
Honestly, I'll break this down and damn the consequences.
No, Chief, never comes.
How do I explain this?
You know, young ladies are hysterical. Don't worry, just calm down.
My good.
Ella, you can't be doing this to us, okay? You can't. Whatever it is to be sorted. Can you please open?
Ella, please, I love you. I love you, please. You are all I have, please. Open this door, please. Please.
Ella.
We really tantalize this chicken.
Enjoyment is very good. You know what? Go inside and bring more chicken for us. Yes. Because this chicken is not going to be enough for me. Tomorrow I'll give you money to fry more. Go and bring that one inside.
Baby, please, let's finish this one first.
Why?
Wait, babe. Are you not going to eat the insala soup? You know I made it with fresh fish.
You know I almost forgot to have insala in this house. You know what? Let's hurry up and finish this one so you bring insala, we'll use it to download it.
You like enjoyment, that's your job.
Let's eat already.
Baby, you're going to give me 300,000 tomorrow. I want to use it for something.
You say? What did you say? But I thought I gave you.
Hey! Don't say that thing you want to say. Don't. Were you not there when I used all the money? Were you not there? Don't insult me because of money. Oh. It's not like you pay rent here. I mean, I accommodate you for free. So if I ask you for money, you should even hurry up and give it to me. Don't insult me because of money. Don't try it.
It's okay.
It's not okay. Oh. It's not okay. Out of the millions you realize from the sales of your shop, you could not, from your good heart, say, Regina, take this 500,000 naira. I mean, why are you like that?
Okay, babe. I'm sorry. Okay. I'll give you 500.
Yeah. Because I said 500,000 now. I'll give you 500K. Because I said 500,000. You know I was the one who suggested you sell your 2 shops. I was the one as the brain box behind your life. I'm the one that is giving you good advice. Nice advice that I gave you. I said sell your 2 shops and raise plenty money so you live large, enjoy yourself and eat chicken as you like. You sold the 2 shops and kept the money to yourself. Wait. Godwin.
What is it?
Is this how you're going to be treating me when you finally take over your brother's wealth?
I thought I've already agreed to give you the 500K now. What did you want?
I need more. 500K is not enough. I need to send money to my mother in the village.
Okay, fine. I don't want us to quarrel. Let's just eat. I'll give you 1 million naira.
Now you're talking. Godwin, you don't know how much I love you. I love you. See, you're supposed to be treating me like a queen.
But I'm trying now.
You're not trying anything.
Am I not trying?
I beg, you're not. Sometimes you used to piss me off. Piss me off a lot.
I'm sorry, let's just eat. But see, we need to hurry up so you bring the other chicken.
1 million or 1 million.
I'll give you now. I'll transfer to your account when we finish it.
They won't transfer now before you finish eating self, so you don't forget.
You like money.
Shoot.
Well, let's talk about so you're bringing salad.
Ella.
Ella, why have you chosen to meddle with the riffraff? It doesn't suit you.
I beg your pardon, Barister. Is it my Steve that you're calling me river? I don't understand. What manner of disrespect? No, wait, how do you guys see him? No, what eyes do you people look at him with? Steve is a nice man. He's a caring man. He's gentle. He's respectful. How do you look at him?
Ella, you're ready enough to know what social stratification is. That young man doesn't match you. You're not of the same level.
Who thinks about level when they're in love? I mean, who should care about status when you're in love with someone? Love is something that comes from within. Look, who I'm in love with and how I love them has nothing to do with how they look and what they have to offer. This is who I've chosen to be with. This is who I want to live with. So my father should respect that and bless me because it's what I'm going to do. It's an emotional thing. My feelings are involved.
I understand your position, Ella. I do. I really do. But you see, you come from a reputable home. Your father is one of the bourgeois in this town. He's a chief, not just an ordinary chief. Have you thought of what people will say when you meddle with such? I mean, he's a low life. I'm sorry to use the word, but it is what it is. Please, know where you belong.
That is it. You two are not getting it. That is it. I don't care. I don't give an F about what he has to give me or where he's coming from. I don't. I love this man. I want to be with this man. Why is it so hard for you to stick into your skulls? Okay, fine. Let's look at it this way. If Steve is broke, we are not broke. We have enough to set him up. I mean, we have so much money to help him, to make him be the man that we want him to be. Right? That's the connecting point. He doesn't have, but we have. We have more than enough to help him. This is what I want. My father should help. If he actually cares about me. It's not difficult. It's not hard.
Ella, there's a clear cut between light and darkness. You are light. You figure out the rest. Don't do this to yourself. You have a family name to protect.
It's done already. It's done.
Yeah, come in.
Auntie Ella, your food. Sit here and eat it.
Come on, Ella. You can eat something.
I'm not hungry, Barister. If you want to help me, talk to my father. He should let me be with the Steve who I want to be with. I don't want that food. Take it and mess it.
I don't think it's the best of ideas. You can start yourself today.
Come on. Does it really worth this?
I don't know what to do tomorrow because just...
Barister, how did it go?
Chief, no say please.
Yeah. What did she tell you?
Chief, this is serious. Your daughter is hell-bent on marrying the young man.
Nonsense. Arrant nonsense. It can never happen.
If you ask me, would advise to look for a way around this. Send your daughter out of this country. Allow her stay there for 2 to 3 years. I believe it will change whatever mindset she has on that boy.
Barister, have you forgotten she is a director in my company? What will happen to my company in her absence, considering the fact that I am no longer too active?
I understand your predicament, Chief. I do. But in the circumstance, what do you do?
Mercy. See why they always talk about you.
You know the right time to bring my food. If not that other cook, I want a very wicked person. By now, hunger go don't kill me.
Again, you were right.
I'm always right now. That's why I talk to you. Sabi cook well.
You and food. Foodie. I am not talking about food.
So what are you talking about?
I am talking about Chief's daughter. Yes. The reason she has been indoor is because of the electrician, Mr. Steve.
Hey, I talk him, but you don't believe me. Hey.
I believe you now. I believe you. I went to serve her food in her room. She said before me that she loves the electrician. That she's not going to eat that food until her father accepts it.
Now juju be that.
Better juju.
Now juju oga electrician take who oga daughter. Hey, better juju na be that too.
Hey, you are right too. Where is he? Common electrician.
I wonder.
That Ella chose to kill herself because of him.
Now what make I tell you say na juju? And you see, that juju, I don't find that juju since. Make I take hold you. It should be mine.
Oh.
You know.
You feel like say your craze don't they multiply? You the craze oh. Wait juju. So like this your expired pink lips. You won't use honey.
But anyhow it be now, I go see your guy electrician. I go ask him where he go doing juju. Whether na Bini or Abiokuta where he go do the juju. I go do am.
I beg come on for here. See that your time this your pink lips. Now you go take do. You don't see as you be. Your juju no fit. You don't even know what that is. Go inside.
Don't worry. You go see whether the juju no go catch you. Oh my God, scary cookie.
I have to do something fast before I lose my daughter. She is the only one I have.
Sir. 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 Sir.
You've not taken your dinner and this is almost 11 p.m. sir.
Keep it, I don't need it.
Sir.
You heard me right. I said keep it, I don't need it.
Okay, sir.
I've been looking for love. I finally find in love. I need no obstacles. This is the choice I've made. Oh, I've been searching for love. I found someone that gladdens my heart. Hey, I need no obstacles or someone to tell me how to choose. Love is not measured by class. You just have to follow your heartbeat. Love is not measured by class. I have found the one I want.
Mercy.
Mercy!
I am here, sir. Good morning.
Yes. I'm rushing to the office now. Help me do this. My daughter has not eaten for the past 4 days and I don't want anything to happen to her. Please, if you can convince her to eat, I will reward you handsomely. Please.
I will try my best, sir.
Have this for us.
Thank you, sir.
I'm good. Ella, my daughter, where are you going?
I'm leaving your house, Father. I'm going to a place where I can have my own peace of mind. A place where I can have peace.
You know it is not possible. I am your father. You are not leaving me for anywhere. Ella, what has that boy done to you? What has he given you?
He did nothing to me, Father. Nothing. You caused this. You've done so much already. I don't have peace. Father, what do you want? Do you understand that I am an adult? I have my own life. I have my own wishes. I have what I want to do. You can't tell me to do what you want. It's how I feel.
Ella, you are not leaving anywhere.
Watch me leave.
Ella, I am your father. I have the last say.
What kind of father? A father who has sworn not to let his child have peace of mind. Father, I have had it up to here. I am supposed to do what I want, not you forcing what you want on me. I am done. I want peace. Starting my own life.
I'll do as you said. Yes, come in. Good day. Have a seat. Now, young man, listen to me. I demand the truth. Absolute truth. And nothing but the truth. Now, tell me. What is the name of the juju? I mean the concussion you used on my daughter?
Sir, I used nothing on your daughter. I genuinely love her and she loves me in return. There is nothing like juju, sir. I did nothing like that.
And I ask you again, what is the color of that sham? The concussion you used on her?
Sir, I don't know what you're talking about. My hands are clean.
Listen, I mean, what is the name of the juju you are here telling me nonsense?
Sir, I swear, I used nothing on your daughter. I'm genuinely in love with her.
You think I'm a fool? Ever since you walked into the life of my daughter, she has never been the same.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, but trust me, I did nothing like that.
I see.
What we feel for each other is mutual.
You don't want to tell me the truth. Officers, you are here. Good. The young man is in my office. Please come right into my office. Please come right into my office.
Sir, please. It has not gotten to that. Don't do this to me, please. Please, sir, please, I'm begging you. Please, sir, my hands are clean. I did nothing.
You are an ingrate. You are just like a pig. I picked you right inside the gutter, cleaned you, gave your life a meaning, and all you have to pay me back is to frolic with my daughter. Oh, let me have your phone.
Yes, my phone, sir.
You spend the rest of your life in jail.
Sir.
You rot in jail.
I'm innocent, sir. Please, don't do this to me.
I've been looking for love. I finally find in love. I need no obstacles. This is the choice I've made. Oh, I've been searching for
So
love.
unfair.
I found someone
Jesus.
that gladens my heart.
How are you, Ella?
I have been trying to reach Steve for a while now, but I can't get to him because his phones are switched off. Are you aware of that, Father?
You're asking me? How?
Who else should I ask? Who? I mean, we both know, you and I, the extent that you're willing to go to get this young man out of my life. So who should I ask if not you?
See, Ella, see. We've lived peacefully together all this while. And suddenly all these hula balls are someone you hardly know who he is.
I'm giving you till tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, to be precise. If I don't hear from him, I will leave your house and I'll go out there. I am willing to go to any extent just to make sure I find Steve. If I do not find him, I'm not coming back to this house. It doesn't matter if it will take me 10 days, I don't care, but I will not come back until I find him. So if you have a hand in this, you better get it fixed.
Ella, why all this? Why all this threat? I'm not sure such. I don't know what gave her the instinct that I know about Steve's phone switched off. Huh? I think I put this phone on silent. It will remain on silent. As for that idiot Steve, he will remain in police cell until he untie my daughter. I don't know what charms he used. Nonsense. Steve. I didn't succeed in putting it in silent. So you silent it. So what? Please, I want you to set your eyes on my daughter. Do not hesitate to call me if you see her anywhere around the gate.
Yes, sir.
Again, serve her food in her room if she does not come downstairs to eat.
Okay, sir. Sir, I am sorry I didn't tell you last night. I need to go to the market and get some foodstuffs. Our meat has finished, sir.
I'll transfer money to you when I get to the office.
Okay, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
Okay.
Oga! Come over here. On no account must you open the gate for my daughter. Do I make myself clear?
Very clear, sir, but...
No, but. Just tell her I went out with the gate keys. Do I made myself clear?
Very clear, sir.
Good. Open the gate for me.
I've been looking for love. I finally find in love. I need no obstacles. This is the choice I've made. Oh, I've been searching for.
It's ringing.
I found someone that gladdens my heart.
The phone has been on since I spoke to Dad.
No obstacle. Or someone to tell me who to choose. Love is not measured.
Could you be that my father has his phone? Yes. Because after I confronted him and threatened him that I was going to leave this house and only come back after I reach Steve, then the phone came on. Fast one. Wow. Come in.
Good morning. Your breakfast.
I'm not hungry. Take it out.
I'm not.
Are you dead? Mercy.
Where's my father?
He has left for... Has it been long?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Okay, Mama, please.
You just have to follow your heartbeat. Love is not measured by class. I have found the one I want.
It's ringing.
I've been looking for love.
I know Father is not listening.
I finally find in love.
I don't think he kept
I
stopping
need
this
no obstacles.
But I have to
This is the
search.
choice I've made. I've been searching for love. I found someone that gladdens my heart. No obstacles. Or someone to tell me who to choose. Love is not measured by class. You just have to follow your heartbeat. Love is not measured by class. I have found the one I want.
I know he has that. I know. And I'm going to find out where the phone is.
I've been looking for love. I finally find in love. I need no obstacles. This is the choice I've made. Oh, I've been searching for
Ogene. Ogene.
Huh?
Come on, please.
You get?
My friend, open this gate. Are you come on, open this gate now.
Small madam, what you have to be say?
Your papa lock the whole place, carry key comot. So you no get as I go fit open am for you like this.
He did what?
He lock the 2 gates and carry key waka.
Why?
I don't know now. If you ask me now, who I go ask?
Well, you mean my father locked the gate and took the key with him?
Very clear. He locked the gates and took the keys.
Well,
Oga number is not connecting. Let it connect before his daughter leaves here now. She got a bad network with this one. Wait now. This network, She got a bad network with this.
The young man is in police net now, cooling off. Oh, yes. But before then, I made sure I confiscated his phone. Switch it off. Ever since then, my daughter has been calling me, threatening hell and fire. Yes, that she will abscond the house.
What?
I switched off the phone and turned it on silent mode. Yes, I know how curious my daughter could be. So I hid it on my bedside drawer. Ever since then, she has been calling me.
Chief, from the point of law, that was wrong. I mean, you trampled on his fundamental human rights. And if he's cool enough, he will claim charges.
Who cares? Oh yes, who cares? We are talking about my daughter. And look, she's the one calling now.
Pin the call.
Let me see. She has been calling ever since they disturbed her. Hello?
Dad, you think I won't find out? You think I'm dumb? I know that you see Steve's phone and you hid it in your office because it's not in this house. Father, why would you ask your gate man to lock the gate on me? I want to go out, the key is not here. Why did you have to take the key with you? Never mind. Never mind. Since you don't care about me, your plans is to frustrate me, it's fine. Before you come back, maybe I should have been dead by then.
Hello? Hello, Ella? Hello?
Madam.
Take my back inside.
No problem. We'll not die. You die. Probably not the police. Oh, madam, hey. Good night.
Barister, please, I must leave. I must leave. She's threatening to take her life. You must follow me, please.
No. Then we need to move immediately. That sounds desperate.
Hello? Hello? Messi. Please, rush to Ella's room now. Please. Make sure she is safe. Make sure she does not hurt herself. Please. Immediately. I'm on my way.
It's okay.
Where is my daughter?
She's in her room, sir.
She's in her room. And you are here. And I warned you to always be with her. Look, listen. Should anything happen to her, I will hold you responsible.
Father, why? Why would you hold her responsible for something that you brought upon yourself? You asked a maid to spy on me? You asked Mercy to monitor me, father? What degree of pettiness?
My daughter.
You seized Steve's phone and you had him locked up in a police cell. You didn't know I was going to find out. I know. And father, as if that was not enough, you asked your gate man to lock the gates on me. Father, look. If that man spent another night in that police station, I swear to God, I swear by the gods, I swear to whatever thing that you believe in, I will end it.
Chief, can we talk inside the car?
It's all right.
Wait. Oga Pikin won't commit suicide because of electrician. I talk say na juju. But na juju, he use the hold this girl. And na that juju, I won't do that juju, make I hold you too. Eh?
They bring.
Don't bring food. Now this is your own food I want chop. I will tell you talk.
You see, Chief, when a child begins to threaten to kill his or herself before the parents over an issue, it should not be taken for granted. I would advise you sort this out once and for all. Barister, what do you suggest I do? I release the electrician immediately. We start all over to frolic with my daughter. Better still, you can pay him off. Send him to a faraway place where you forget about your daughter. You think is that easy? What about my daughter who is bone of contention in all this? Chief, I would advise you send out of the country. Or better still, take her to a rehab where her brain will be re-examined. Because as it is, her brain is not functioning optimally. This is exactly what I thought. The first time I complained that boy, that idiot is using juju on my daughter. I don't want to believe he's using juju on your daughter, Chief. You see, young men of these days have this sugar-coated mouth. So I want to believe he has brainwashed your daughter with his sugar-coated mouth. That's all. Listen, Barister, that boy will never go scot-free. For having the effrontery to truncate all that I worked for, ruin my life, he will never go scot-free. Chief, take it easy. Take it easy. You can handle this. It is not beyond you. Please.
Mercy! Mercy!
Sir!
Where is my daughter?
She has not come back.
By this time of the night? Oh my goodness. What's the meaning of all this? This girl will not kill me in this house. I have been trying her line and it's not going to. Let me try it again. Not reachable.
Sir, she will definitely come back.
Come back by this time? 11:30? This should this.
I think she's back.
Open that door.
What's the meaning of this?
I went out, Father, for a friend's birthday party. Sorry I didn't inform you.
Maybe you should have informed me. Let this not repeat itself again. You know, you are the only one I have.
I need to rest. I had a long night.
Steve. Chief. Do you know I like you so much?
Yes, sir.
Do you also know I have good intentions for you?
Yes, sir.
Why then do you choose to sleep around with my daughter?
Chief, I genuinely love your daughter. At first I was even resisting, but later I found out that she loves me in return. I have nothing bad against you nor your daughter, please. Please, forgive me if I wronged you.
And you feel the best thing is to be sleeping with her, messing her up.
The truth is, we're just in love. What happened between us happened naturally. Please, sir.
Well, the only way you can prove to me that you are truly sorry, you are remorseful of this is, I will give you 20 million naira. Pay you off. You go to a very far, far away place.
Sorry, sir. My love is not for sale.
Father, what? You want to pay him off so he can leave me? Why do you want to pay him off? If you're paying him off, then you have to pay me too, because I'm going with him. I love him, can't you see? Just give us a chance.
Please, Chief. I promise to be a good husband.
Dada, I love him and he loves me.
Please.
Why are you making things hard for us?
Both of you, please. Excuse me.
Dad, I'm the only daughter. You can't compromise my happiness, please.
Please, just excuse me. Excuse me.
Steve, wait. Steve.
Barister, I'm on my way to your office. Honestly, Barister, I don't know what else to do again. These chaps have gone too far in this. You will not believe what my eyes saw today. See, my daughter and this young man, they have gone too far on this. It's about time I throw in the towel. Anyway, I allowed my daughter to have her way.
Chief, did you say throw in the towel? No. Chief, you are a man of honor and integrity, highly respected in the society. Please, do not make any decision that will bring shame and dishonor to the legacy you've laid. If you ask me, I would advise you make proper investigation about this young man.
I understand you, Barister. I do. How do as human? Even now I'm planning to retire soon after their wedding and hand over everything to my daughter. Let me have my deserved rest.
Chief, Isn't it too early for you to take such a decision? You're so strong if you ask me.
Barister, have you forgotten my daughter is so competent? She's an intelligent girl. So I'll hand over everything to you. Let me have my due rest.
Well, if you say so. Break a leg. But please, I would advise you to do proper investigation about this young man.
Who be that? So will you come back today? I don't believe you. Yes.
How can you ask me to come when your father is around?
Welcome.
How can you ask me to come when your father is around?
It's fine, just come inside.
No, this is risky. What's going on?
Just come, stop talking. Come, he's waiting.
Are you sure?
I'm gonna close the gate. Oh, hey.
I talk am say, na juju oga electrician dey use. Because na juju go make am still carry mind come back to this place. I go do my own and I must catch somebody. I no wan know. I just find where I go do my own like this. My own juju. You go catch person. Hey! Son pass me on. I must do my juju and I go catch person. Go catch person.
Who are you talking with?
Eh? Hey, oga electrician in don land.
Where is he?
He dey inside. I tell you say na juju go make am get mind come back to this compound. You see me, I go do my own juju and I go catch person.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about oga electrician o. Na for here oga pikin hug and kiss am. I don tell you, I go do my own and I must catch person. Na because I tell you say I wan do juju for you, na why you throw away my food. I don't understand you again. Why for this girl dey cook? Eh? How again kwano?
Steve, do you truly love my daughter?
Yes. Yes, sir. I genuinely love your daughter so much.
The reason I will ask you this again is to ensure it's not my money you are after. You genuinely love her?
Far from that, sir. I'm not here for your money. I genuinely and sincerely love your daughter so much. Honestly speaking.
It's all right. Ella.
Yes, Dad.
Can you tell me reasons, just one reason you want to marry Steve?
Father, I believe that you've known him for a while, and you can see that he's really nice. He's calm, he's gentle, he's God-fearing. He's the kind of man I've always, pictured myself getting married to. He just fits the picture.
Considering the fact that it's not been long you know him, are you telling me it's enough time for you to know the character of the man, Steve?
Dad, I understand what you're saying, but you have to understand that people differ, and of course, characters. You can meet someone today and you end up marrying them the next day. You can still know someone for the rest of your life and never truly know who they are. But with Steve here, it's different. I just feel this peace. I just have this satisfaction when I'm with him. He's my man.
That's all right. You know, the reason I'm saying all this is not just that I'm skeptical about all you are saying, but there is this philosophy about the rich man and the poor man, the disparity, the wide gulf that exists between the two. Let me come down to the level you understand. Like in Lagos State, for instance, rich man is synonymous with Ikoyi, VI, Lekki, Banana Island. When you talk about poor man, you talk about Ajegunle, Surulere, Ajao. Oh, sorry, forgive my manners. It is very difficult for a rich man's daughter to blend with a poor man. I am not trying to demarcate you or insult you, but it's reality, it's a fact. Anyway, I will send you on a 6-month course on managerial tutorials so that you'll be able to streamline things with my daughter in my office.
Dad, you don't have to be mean. I mean, Steve here is very smart. He's smart. He understands business. He knows how to, he has basics. I don't think he needs to go to any class to be able to talk to me or be around me.
Who? Who be that? Okay. I go to help you now. Wait, where they go? I go to help you. Don't you know you?
I'm here to see Chief. Chief.
I know now, but I don't know you now. Who you be?
I am Chief's younger brother. Go tell him I'm here to see him.
The only brother why I know say Chief get. Now one brother which Chief they always complain about, saying they squander him money. See? Now you be that? Now you?
Yeah! Now voila. Are you alright? Come here! If I punch you now, are you okay? In front of my woman? Jesus! Brother! Brother!
Yeah! What's up? Now slap with that. See why I don't like this man. Let me this just way. Come Oga Pikin wedding. They fight over drink. Eh? Hi God. In my head, I want to hear again. He slap better. If you touch me, die your hand again. If die your hand, touch me again. I go show you say na me be the chief security officer for this place. No worry. Hi. Yeah.
Sweetheart, you can say that again. You see, my brother is a billionaire, a very giant capital B. And very soon, his entire house, his company, everything he owns become ours.
I'm tempted to be in a hurry, but you just take it easy.
You don't have to be in a hurry, baby. You know what? Step by step. No jumping. Chief. Greetings, sir.
Godwin.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, Chief.
Good afternoon. Sit down.
Thank you, Chief.
You're welcome.
Oh, Chief, you look tired. Are you sure you're okay?
I'm very fine. Just having a nap upstairs.
Your daughter, how is she and her husband doing?
They're fine. Just came back from honeymoon and they've resumed duties.
Chief, are you saying the husband now works in the company?
Of course, he works with me now. Who is she?
Chief, you have eyes. Chief, please pardon my manners. This is, her name is Regina, my fiancée. The woman I brought to you to introduce that I want to marry. Chief, I love her so much.
Greetings, Chief.
Okay, sir.
You're welcome.
Finally. Godwin, you've decided to calm down. She's a fine girl. We've been pressurizing him a long time now to get hooked up, but he has been dilly-dallying. Thank God he finally found you.
A pleasure.
It's all right, Godwin.
Yes, Chief.
Fix a date for your wedding and your traditional wedding, so take care of it.
Hey! Chief! Papaya!
Thank you, Chief.
Oh boy, man! My brother is talking of you. Thank you so much, sir. Chief, I know my way to the bar. Let's have something to drink. My brother, I know what he likes. I'm coming.
Hey.
Yeah. Steve. Yes, Chief. How are you coping with your new job?
Everything is going on well, sir.
I see. I got a good recommendation from one of my associates who introduced you, and he spoke so highly of you.
That's my husband.
Thank you very much, sir. Once again, thanks for giving me such a wonderful opportunity.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Sweetie,
What's that?
your uncle was here a few moments ago,
Oh.
and he came with a woman he introduced to me as his fiancée.
Wow. At last. He wants to marry?
Well, let's watch and see. And I told him to go fix a date. I will sponsor his wedding. Traditional wedding and white wedding.
Father, you're too kind. You're so kind. God will bless you for us, Father. Yeah, Father. I'm doing it. Are you okay? Sorry.
Sorry.
Are you fine?
Sorry.
Just take it easy, okay? Sorry. Godwin. Please wake up. I want us to talk.
You are still awake by this time. You know, sleep.
Please.
No.
I want us to talk.
What do you want us to talk about now? I'm tired. I'm asleep. What is it?
I am bothered about something.
What are you bothered about?
You haven't said anything about your brother-in-law whom your brother just made the director of his company. Does it not bother you that it's going to be a hindrance when it's time for you to take over your brother's wealth?
That can never happen. It's not possible. Regina, you worry yourself too much. Okay? Now listen. My in-law doesn't have the right to partake in sharing of my brother's properties. It's not possible. Okay? Once my brother dies, I'll move straight into his mansion. No. We will move straight into his mansion and I will take over his entire property. That includes the documents of his company.
Please, open your eyes. How are you going to achieve that if you don't start planning now?
Regina, what's your problem?
Look, Godwin, stop. You need to do something. You need to do something fast. Delay is dangerous.
What do we do?
No. I'm going to the office. Something cropped up, so I have to go and sort it out. Okay, you want to see me? Maybe when I come back, I'll call you. Yes.
Sir, will you be back for you?
Not really. I have a lot to clear up in the office, so I won't be coming back.
Okay, sir.
Come. Take this. Buy whatever you need.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Ogene!
Sir, Oga.
Keep this also. Okay?
Obi.
Yes. Buy whatever that suits you. Open the gate for me, please.
Okay, now God will bless you.
Hello? I'm coming to the office right away. Yes, my daughter called and said that something came up. I'll be there in a jiffy. Who are you? Who? Ah!
Hello? Yes, this is Ella. Who is this? Jesus! My father was shot? How? Where? Where is he? Your hospital? What hospital, please? Just... Okay, fine. I'm coming now. I'm coming now. Jesus Christ. Jesus.
Listen. Wait now. What is it? Why you always be difficult? What's happening? Oga and Madam enter. And Madam they cry. What's it happen? What's make her cry?
Again, wait though. I mean, they ask. Not you they pass for gates. They pass you for gates. Come meet me here. Why they ask me now?
You know say you they walk inside here. Me na gates. Nothing concern. Nobody.
But they pass gates. They meet you for gates. Enter house. Now you are go they ask again. Waiting happen. Why should they cry? Waiting happen. What happened?
I know say you know waiting happen, but you just did wicked.
Come
on to tell me waiting happen.
Waiting what make I tell you now?
I no go ask you.
No, they disturb me for this house too.
I no go ask you anything.
Your craze they too much for this.
I no go. If I ask you anything again, man, make I bend.
Bend now.
If I ask you again, make I bend. See, I too late leg.
Chief, you promised me! Otabuala! They have killed my mother! It will not be well with that man or woman that killed my brother! It's not go better for you! It's not go better for you! Maybe my brother is gone! What will do his mama's baby? Don't be tired, I want to die. Why did you go, Chief? Oh my God! Oh my God! Chief, why? Who would take your life? Who would be able to take your life? Oh my God, I'm not really crazy. Oh my God! Everyone! Chief, why? Chief, why?
Be careful who you give your trust. There are so many friendly enemies. They're lurking in the shadows, waiting for the right time to strike. Be careful who you mingle. There are so many friendly enemies.
Listen, you are looking at the next CEO of Mbadiwe Company Limited.
Say it again, Remy. God has done it for us.
Yes,
I told this invitation that it will happen.
Yes.
Yesterday. Nice.
Baby, you know what? Now that my brother is dead, I am walking straight to his mansion. I will throw Ella and her husband out of the house.
Oh, baby, yes. You deserve it.
Yes, I do.
Legally, financially,
yes.
Traditionally,
I'm telling you, I do.
Regionally,
yes.
You deserve it. You deserve it. I am going to stand by you and help you fight for your right. Until you... Oh, baby, sorry. Sorry, baby.
Baby, you know what?
Take the money.
Baby, you know what? I never knew God loves me this much.
God loves you, baby.
I never knew He loves me so much.
God loves you, baby.
You know what? You are looking at the next billionaire in town.
Next?
Yes.
So you're the latest billionaire in town.
Yes.
Latest billionaire
Oh,
in
yes,
town.
yes.
I need you to start walking with your shoulders high.
I'm telling you.
Like this.
Now listen straight
Raise
up.
them high.
I'm not only the next latest billionaire in town. I am the most sophisticated, outstanding, eligible billionaire in town.
Say it again, baby.
You know what? Anyone that talks anyhow, I will lock them up and throw the kids into the lagoon.
I trust my baby. Baby, you know what? When you are walking on the streets, you're gonna be walking like this. As a billionaire,
yes.
You need to take your shoulders high.
Buga.
Raise them up. Wear some agbada. Pridefully.
You know what?
Wear the agbada.
Some people says, don't be entitled. They lie. I am entitled. I am not entitled.
They
entitled man.
Yes.
Proudly entitled man. In the whole
Rest
world.
on my shoulder.
Rest your shoulder. What is your shoulder first? So my brother.
Soon, I'll be done with you. I didn't know it would happen this fast. Once he takes over his brother's company and other things, I'll poison him and take over everything. I can't live with such a useless man as my husband. I've been waiting for this all this while because of his brother's fortune. Now the time has come.
Good afternoon, Barister Ugochi.
Yeah.
Good to see you, Barister.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good to see you too.
How have you been?
Very well. And how may I be of help to you?
Barister, so good to see you.
Yeah.
Really? You don't remember me? Alright, good. Let me get it to you straight, okay? I'm the younger brother of Chief Mbadiwe, the CEO of Mbadiwe's Company Limited. You catch that drift, right? Now listen. I am here to ask for the documents as regards to my brother's properties. Hello?
I don't understand. Young man, as far as I'm concerned, you lack the locus over your brother's property.
Locus on a smooth decay. Barister, now listen up. I know you like to play balls, okay? And two can play their game. Okay, you know what? I am ready to transfer a sum of 5M into your accounts, okay? Just provide me my brother's document and let me get out of here.
Is that why you killed your brother?
Barister. You think I'm here to joke with you, right? Huh? You think I'm here to joke with you? I said give my brother's document, let me get out of here. Huh?
You're pointing a gun at me?
Are you okay? Now give my documents.
I'll call the police.
Voila. Get out of the police. What kind of a dream is this? Alright, come in.
Sir, there's a man outside. He said he wants to see you.
It's alright, let him in.
Alright.
What kind of a dream is this? This time? Good afternoon, Barister. Oh God.
Yes. Good afternoon.
Barister, the Barister. How are you?
Good afternoon. Fine.
Barister, you're not looking bad, you know. You look good.
Thank you.
Barister, I didn't know I'll be able to know the direction to your office. Since the last time I came here with my late brother.
Okay.
Your office look good. Some touch of hospitality still here.
Thank you.
Where's one? Barister, I am here to invite you for a crucial meeting with my family.
What's the meeting for?
Barister, you see, as the eldest in the family now, I want to have a general meeting with my family. Since the death of my elder brother, we've not sat and talked. So it will be a privilege. No, Barister, it will be an honor to have you in that meeting present.
So, what's the meeting for?
Barister, you see,
Some important questions might come up that you will need to answer to, as my brother's barrister and advocate.
It's okay, so what's the place and time?
So quick! That's my barrister. Alright, my brother's place, 2 p.m. on the dot.
It's okay, I'll be there.
I'll be there. Barrister, it's a pleasure. I look forward to seeing you. Thank you very much. Don't be late, 2 p.m. Barrister, who got you? Nice office you have here.
This was the same man I saw in my dream. And out of the blues, he appears in my office, inviting me for a crucial family meeting. Oh, I guess he wants to demand for the document of Chief's properties. Is that so?
Hey, what's up?
I'm alright, I'm good.
Did you meet him?
Sure, I met him.
How did he go?
Everything went as planned, okay? Listen, I've given him all the necessary informations, and he promised he will be there tomorrow.
We are making progress.
Exactly. This time around. Once I'm done with him, I'll get myself a new lawyer.
Come on, let's go.
Be careful who you give your trust. There are so many friendly enemies.
Babe.
They're lurking in the
Yes, babe.
Do you know why your uncle is calling for that meeting tomorrow?
No?
I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
Maybe it's because of your father's properties. He wants the lawyer to read the will so he can know his stand.
Babe, my father only had one child, which is me, so who am I going to share his practice with?
Let's wait until tomorrow then.
I summoned this meeting to thank everyone that supported and encouraged during my late brother's burial, Chief Mbadiwe of Chief Mbadiwe's Limited. And I also want to use this opportunity for us to discuss the way forward as regards his properties.
What? You mean you summoned this meeting to talk about my father's properties?
Yes. He's your father. Don't forget, he's also my elder brother. Though we have equal right, but I am your elder.
Uncle Godwin, just hold up, wait. Like, what exactly do you want to know about my father's properties? Like what? Which one? Let me understand.
Ella, calm down, okay? I called this meeting. Allow me to conduct it as deemed fit, right? Barister Ugoji, you are my late brother's advocate and barrister. Please, tell us about my brother's will.
Oh, Mr. Godwin, it will interest you to note that Chief Mbadiwe had no will. You know why? He has only one child, and that child automatically inherits everything he had.
You lie! Yes, Barister, be careful. You lie! Listen, I'm the only brother of Chief Mbadiwe. He has no son. There is no son anywhere. And by right, I am supposed to inherit all his properties.
He has no son, but he has a daughter, which is me. Yes.
Esizi n'ọnwụ n'ego mmadụ. N'ego onye ọzọ.
Hey, listen. Don't put your mouth in this matter. You are just an in-law. You are not a member of this family.
How dare you speak to my husband in that tone? Have you lost your mind? What is wrong with him, babe? Barister, with all due respect, this meeting is over. Uncle, leave my father's house. Leave!
Are you asking me to leave?
Leave the house now!
Let me tell you. In our tradition, women don't take part in sharing for the parties. Okay? Your father doesn't have a son. I am his only brother.
But he has a daughter, which is me, and I'm asking you to get out. Leave!
Are you talking to me?
What I know about this is bullshit.
Listen, Barister. My brother do not have a son. In our tradition, women don't protect in sharing properties. Listen, this entire estate, this entire properties, his company belongs to me by inheritance.
How will you take it? Who will give it to you?
I don't understand. Is it your money? Why?
I don't understand.
For the second time. For the second time, don't involve in this matter.
You will do nothing if he involves himself in it. He's my husband, so by right, he has the right to speak.
Enough. Enough is enough. My wife said you should leave, and that's some period.
The audacity and the temerity.
In fact, Ogene! Ogene!
Okay.
Please go. Mark this nonsense. Kindly escort him away. And on no account should you let him into this compound again.
Ever again.
Yes, Oga.
Listen, remember I promised I'm going to give you a punch. No, I'll punch you. Don't touch me.
See, as you see me, I dey vex. And I no one carry the paranoia with my body enter you. I no one lose my job for anybody. Oga, move or you want make I move you.
Don't touch my shirt. Don't move. Do not move my shirt. Move. I'm uncle.
Get out.
It's expensive. Don't move for my clothes. It's expensive.
I go not your move. See what this one.
Ella, we see.
We will see nothing.
They go.
We will see nothing. Leave.
Baby, listen. Our plans is about revealing that shutter. If we don't do something now, I mean now.
What really happened?
Now, baby, listen. Can you imagine? That little girl of yesterday, that brat, has a right to chase me out of my own brother's house.
What? She did what?
She asked me to leave my own brother's house. I was bundled and dragged as if I wasn't nobody. But that stupid gate man.
No. They can never succeed. I know their plans, but they will never succeed. You are going to inherit your brother's wealth.
Yes.
Can you imagine?
Listen, sweetheart, okay? I don't care how it's going to happen. Okay? Anyone that comes on my way must be crushed. I'll take them out. I'll take them out. That I promise you. Oh my God.
Godwin, we need to go see the barrister. We need to have a private talk with him.
Come on, sweetheart. Why are you talking as if you don't know this barrister of a man? That man is too stubborn. Will he listen to us?
Godwin, there's no harm in trying. Delay is dangerous.
Okay, fine. We'll do that tomorrow. Okay? Send me rest for today, man. That guy really rough-handled me. That stupid guy.
He actually pushed you out of the compound.
They're handling me sweetheart. Oh.
You see, the same man I saw in my dream was the same person who came here. Everything he told me, he repeated again.
Something in me tells me he knows something about Chief's death.
I'm not doubting you. I'm not doubting it. It was a clear revelation.
If truly he has a hand in my father's death, he won't go scot-free.
Well, the law, I suggest we do a change of names in all the documents.
Well, if you ask me, that will not be necessary.
No, Barister. It is very necessary. I want all the names in my father's documents to be changed. All properties, all of it.
Sure of this?
Oh, well, if that is what you want, consider it done. Okay? I'll do as you want. I'll be on my way now. So whenever you're ready for the change of documents, just intimate me.
Sure. Oh, thank you very much, Barister.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. And please do take it easy. Excuse me.
So, babe, which name are you planning to put on your late father's documents?
Mine, of course. I mean, I'm the CEO, right?
Why don't you equally say you're the man here? This is my problem with you. You make me feel less of myself. I am your husband. I should be on top of everything.
Babe, sorry, why are you sounding like this? I've never seen you less or not like my husband. I respect you. I give you all the respect that you asked for, so.
But, does it make sense? My name is supposed to be on the documents as your husband. But okay, it's fine. Let's not push it, it's okay. It's not a problem. Yeah, that's what you want. It's okay.
Honey, look, I believe that you and I are one. We're a couple, right? I'm married to you and you're married to me. Whatever belongs to me automatically belongs to you, and whatever belongs to you is the same with me, so...
If I said it's nothing, okay?
I just want us to be happy. Does it really matter whose name is on the document?
I said it's not a problem. That's what you want, right? It's fine, mommy. After all, I married you as a nobody, so what do I expect? I don't want to push so that you won't see me as an ungrateful human being or someone that is pushing too far. It's okay.
Would you want me to put your name as the CEO?
No, I said it's fine, babe.
No, if that's what you want, I can do it.
If I said it's fine.
I just want us to be happy, babe.
Be careful who you give your trust. There are so many friendly enemies. They're lurking in the shadows, waiting for the right time to strike. Be careful who you mingle with. There are so many friendly enemies. They're hiding in the shadows, waiting for the right time to strike.
Babe? Babe? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
You know you don't have to lie to me. I've been married to you for so long to know when you're fine and when you're not. I know you're not fine. Ever since we talked last night, you've been acting really strange. What happened? Steve, tell me, I'll get it sorted out. What?
I said I'm fine.
Ma, we need to get these items. They are almost finished. Let me see. Mercy? Ma, you didn't add the bin back here? I will add it. How much is everything? 150k. Fine, send your account to me. Okay. Mercy, remind me of your salary. How much do you pay again?
50k, 50,000.
Alright. So next month, I'll pay you 80k.
Thank you, ma. God bless you, ma. Thank you.
Babe? What's up? Babe. Why?
Who am I in this marriage? Why are you treating me like some sort of toy?
Babe, I'm confused. What did I do?
Maybe because I'm still in your late father's house. That's the reason you always see me as the old broke Steve.
No! Why would you even say that? Honey, what have I done?
No, it should be what have you not done. You pay all the bills in this house. You increase the workers' salaries upon you. Your father's company will bear your name. So what am I doing here? Who am I?
Honey, you're getting it the wrong way. I was thinking I'm trying to assist you with some of the work since you have a lot already that you're doing. I didn't know it was going to hurt your feelings. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry, babe.
I don't mean to sound ungrateful after everything your dad did for me. But your behavior makes me feel less of myself.
Babe, I said I'm sorry. And no one is telling you ungrateful. You're a nice man. You've been nice to us. I'm sorry now. I wouldn't do it again. Okay, fine. From now on, you be the one to pay the workers. You be the one to increase their salary if you want to. You be the one to, just be the man that you want to be.
When you're talking, I'm the man here. Oh, Jim.
You've always been the man. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're both welcome, man. You're welcome.
Thank you.
So, how do you want the names on the document?
Barister, I no longer want my name to be on the document. Rather, I'll prefer my husband's name.
Why?
Zed. Why are you trying to... Okay, my name is not what... What's your problem now? This is my wife. She said, use my name on the document. She was saying, why? You try to me better at the answer.
No, Mr. Steve, I'm not making anybody look stupid. Huh? This is my work and I don't want to make mistakes.
But you just insulted my personality here.
Oh, babe, just calm down.
Oh, it's getting on my nerves.
It's okay.
Was that necessary?
No, it wasn't meant to be so. No. Can I insult you?
That's what you... Don't get on my nerves, please.
Just calm down. It's okay. Barister, just calm down.
It's getting me angry.
I am sorry if I sounded the way you didn't like, or I just wanted to be sure so I don't make mistakes.
Let me tell you what you don't know. I'm also a lawyer. Yes, I studied law, just that I did not practice.
That means you're not a lawyer.
It's there again. I'm out of here. Completely.
Babe,
where are you going? I'm outside.
Where are you going?
Don't worry. Conclude the thing.
At least let's...
Well, it's claiming on my Jack.
Why did you sound so rude to him?
You say rude? Ella, you need to be careful. No one is to be trusted if you ask me.
He's my husband.
You never can tell. You never can tell. You need to tread softly if you ask me.
Why?
The heart of man is desperately wicked.
Barister.
So what can I do for you, please?
Barister, I'm here to see you for we to settle some issues.
Issue? What could that be, please?
Barister, I came to see you as regards the documents of my late brother's property. Yes, at his place, we tried discussing the matter, though it didn't go well. So I want to use this opportunity to apologize, for the little misunderstanding the both of us had. I'm sorry, Barister. It's not intentional art. You know how it is, man. you know how guys can.
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm sorry,
I can understand.
find a place you have to forgive me. Yeah?
It's okay.
Namaste, please. I'm sorry. Thank you. Without wasting much of your time, Barister, my fiancée, my wife to be, she's downstairs waiting for me. We have somewhere very important to get to. Okay? So I'll just hit straight to the point. Barister, I am here to collect my late brother's documents of his entire properties. Like what we discussed last time, though it didn't go well. Barister, listen. I'm his next of kin. He has no son. You understand? My late brother, he didn't give birth to any son, just only his daughter. And by tradition and by right, she doesn't take part in sharing of his will. Okay? Listen, my niece, Ella, she's her husband's responsibility, not mine. Okay? Just give me my late brother's document of all his properties, okay? No, just do this. Please, okay? Embarrassed, I understand. You like to play ball. Okay, fine. I'll give you 30% and I'll keep 70. Okay? 70-30, let's just split. Please.
Barister Goji, use the door. Yeah?
Use the door.
Sorry, I was kidding. I said use the door. I got you, listen. I know barristers, you love it equal rights. Okay, I'll give you 50%. Let's share it equal, 50-50.
I said leave the door. Leave my office. Do I look cheap to you?
Barister, it is here, man. Barister, listen, okay? I can see you don't want to play balls with me. Yeah. And I can see you want to be a stormy block on my way. But I won't allow you to do that. Okay? I'll take it by force. Through violence.
Get out of my office! You scallywag! How dare you?
Barister. Now listen. I can see you want to be a stormy block on my way. I will not let you. Swear to God. See that you play balls on 50-50? Or I'll take it by force with violence. That I promise you. You shall see. We shall see.
Allah. Idiot! We shall see.
Rubbish!
Babe, listen. I will not let that old fool do this to me. Yeah? That old fool is playing with fire. I will never allow him be a storming block on my way. Never!
Hey!
No, babe. It won't be a storming block on my way.
Don't say anything again until we get home.
Listen, I will not let him do this to me. I won't allow him to do this to me.
Listen, babe. It's obvious he has been bribed. But let's get home first.
He has been bribed.
Come on, let's go.
I will not let him.
Hey, I don't get a lot. Hey, this. Hey. Oh, more, I like the sweet though. Sweet one.
What is this inside?
I just get that right. Guess what?
What?
Madam increased my salary.
You are not the only one. She increased mine too.
Hey.
Yes.
How much she increased your own too?
You tell me how much? You don't know how much.
You see my problem what they get with you? Every time you they claim say you get sense. Now me now first ask you how much they increase your salary to. You don't want to tell me. Sure you make sense? It don't make sense.
Why
now.
you can't they shout now?
Why I no go shout? Every time they claim say you get sense pass me or like say I no get sense.
Hey, you don't get sense now. Now you make her they use your sense. See, if you don't want to tell me, you forget.
I know they tell you anything. I know they tell you. Tell me how much they increase your own.
I beg, come on for here. Keep quiet.
Eh, make I keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
I no blame you. No, I know just want me you spoil my phone this early morning. Bad luck. See how it is. Hey! This. Oh my like this. So that
Yes, come in. Oh.
I'm done, sir.
Okay, drop them here. Go get me lunch from that fast food at the junction.
Okay, I'll do that.
Hey, do you still have money with you?
I have 7,000 left.
7,000? What can I get for me? 7,000? Okay, get me abu, fufu, and the ofu onubu.
Alright, sir.
Please, make sure it's hot, eh?
Okay.
Right, thank you. Those are documents.
No, please don't. Please.
Hello, babe. Babe, can you hear me? Babe, I just got very bad news now. Someone just called me now that we lost Barister Oji. Yes, he was shot. He was shot and he died. I don't know. I just got a call. I don't even know what to think, what to say. Where are you? I saw him. I was with him. I don't know. Babe, I'm so scared. Who must have done this?
They are dangerous. They just waiting for the day they will bring you down. They are dangerous. Those friendly enemies, beware of them, 'cause they are dangerous, dangerous, dangerous. They are wolves in the coat of sheep, like a dangerous. They're waiting for the day to strike.
Why would someone assassinate the barrister?
I'm scared. Now I'm legit scared. I don't know who's going to be next. It could be you, it could be me. I don't know who to trust. I'm scared.
Calm down, okay? Calm down. God is in control. I think we should beef up security, especially at the office.
Yes, babe, you can do that. Just make sure everywhere is tight, because I don't know who is doing this. I don't know. I don't know what to think. I don't feel safe. From inside, something is wrong. I can tell.
You calm down, okay? Again, I think we need to visit the barrister's office to make sure your father's documents are safe.
Okay, I think the police went there already. They have the whole place locked up. It's safe. Babe, I'm scared.
Relax. Everything will be alright, okay?
No, I think you haven't sent for logistics. Sure. Oh, Mr. Busy, I'll call you back, okay? Just give me a second. I'll call you back. Hey?
How are you?
I'm fine, you're here.
Nice. This is Barister. He will be replacing Barister Oji. Yes. I've already briefed him on the change of names, and he has assured me that he can handle that within 2 days.
Change of names.
On the documents.
Babe, I thought we were sticking to late Barister.
So that was what led Barister Oji opted, like his opinion. Are you sticking to that now?
Oh, no, it's fine. I understand. So, Barister, I believe that my husband has briefed you on the things you're going to be working on. And I'm sure you have an idea of what you're doing.
Definitely.
Alright, fine. Just sit at the reception. I'll get back to you later.
That'll be alright.
Alright.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Alright. Like you?
I just met him. Babe, did you take 10 million naira from the company?
Oh. Yes, my bad. I forgot to tell you. Yes, I did.
Babe, that is Ono's company's money. That's a company money. You can't just take it like that.
No, I used it to solve a personal issue.
Personal issue? No, now. That's so unprofessional. This is company money. You can't just wake up and take it and you're telling me you...
Okay, so my personal issues are not bad.
No, at least you should have informed me. I'm supposed to be aware because if I go to the board meeting now, what should I tell them?
Don't insult me. If you want, I can refund the money. What? Are you shouting at me because I took...
No, just in case of next time. Just let me know before you do it.
It's fine. If you want me to refund it, I will. Don't insult me.
No, just so I know how to
No,
back...
don't tell me that. Where is this coming from?
Baby, are you understanding what I'm trying to say?
Everything is working for our favor. Now that the barrister is out of the way, what do you think we should do next?
My brother's daughter, Ella, and her husband. Especially her husband needs to be taken care of.
Don't you think we should go to Barrister Ugoji's chambers? I mean, we need to go there and claim your brother's documents. You are his only brother. It is supposed to be easy for us to claim these documents.
Beauty and brain. I never thought of that, you know. Now that you've said it. First thing tomorrow morning, we'll go see the barrister, okay?
Tomorrow it is there.
Sure. And now we'll collect all the documents as regards to my brother's properties.
Yeah, Miss Ella, that's me. I really have been waiting. I can't see anybody in the office. Your husband is not here either. Oh yes, I have the signed document, the change of the documents. I have them right here with me. No, you know I can't give it to anyone to keep. It's a very vital document. Oh yeah, I want to give it to you. I want to hand it over to you or your husband direct. It's okay. I shall be waiting. I shall be waiting. It's okay. Thank you very much.
Why is she not picking up? She's still not picking up. Yeah, hello? Please, am I speaking with Miss Ella, by the way? Oh, okay. Please listen very carefully. I have a vital information for you about the person that killed your father and his barrister. Yes. Yes, for real. Please, if you are interested to know about the details, just meet me up at Chairs Hotel. Chairs Hotel at New Avenue here. Yes, around that roundabout now. Yes, one more thing please. If you are coming, don't forget to come alone. You must come alone.
7 p.m. Yes, stick to time, please. Alright. Yes, she doesn't have any choice.
Right now I'm at just hold on. It's like a signboard here. I'm at Chief Okoro's roundabout.
Okay, you have just 10 minutes to be here. Yes, forget about the information. Just 10 minutes, 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Hello? Who is this person? I didn't even tell my husband about this, and now I'm calling him. His phone is switched off. Let me just get there first. Said 10 minutes. Hurry up, Ella, hurry up. 10 minutes.
Hello? Oh. Alright, come to room 208. What? What are you saying? Listen, if you are not ready to know about the person that killed your father and his barrister, just go, please don't call this number again. Come in. Oh.
Hey.
Here.
Yeah.
Hi. Come in. Make yourself comfortable. Just feel free.
Thank you. Who are you?
I'm even risking my life with doing this for you. I'm Brown Bandy.
Thank you so much, Brown. I appreciate it. So you said you have information concerning who killed my father?
Yes, of course. That's the reason why you are here. But first, make yourself comfortable. Come on, sit.
No.
Sit down. Are you in a hurry?
Okay.
I will tell you, but relax first. Come on.
It's fine. So, how much am I paying you to get this information?
Why are you talking about money? Money is never my problem. I did not need anything from you. It's you that I want.
Sorry, sir, but I don't understand.
Come on. Are you a baby?
Get your hands off me.
It's you.
No.
It's you that I want.
Wait, I don't have time for this, okay? Just... Stop! What are you doing? I will shout! Get your hands off me! Get your... Wait! Somebody help! I will...
Mercy!
Sir, I'm here.
You are very, very stupid. What's your problem? Are you deaf?
I'm sorry, sir.
I've been shouting your name.
I'm sorry, sir. I was busy.
Busy doing what? My friend, shut up. Where is my wife?
She has not come back.
Excuse me?
She's not back yet.
Meaning?
I don't know.
Holy Moses. What?
Is anything the matter, sir? Sir?
Get lost.
is the meaning of this?
Jesus.
Christ of Nazareth. What are you doing in a hotel room with a man?
Wait.
How do we explain this?
How did you get these pictures?
Stop talking.
How did you get this?
What are you doing with a man in a hotel room?
Babe, no. This is not me. I don't know how. Okay.
It is not you.
No.
It is AI. It is AI, okay?
No, okay, fine.
Don't get me angry.
I went to see this man. He said he had see the messages. He said he had something to show me. I don't know.
And you chose hotel room.
No,
on his bed.
No, he asked me to come to the hotel.
Don't get me angry. Stop talking. I need
Please, I don't know how he got those pictures. I don't know. No, I can't.
What a don't lie on my intelligence. Pictures don't lie.
I don't know how he got this. I don't know how or where he got this from.
You don't know.
I don't know, I swear. I don't know.
What are you doing with this man?
I don't know him. I just
in a hotel room.
I went there to
on
see
his
him.
bed. You went there to see him. You know what?
When
you're ready to explain, tell me.
No, see, wait now. Wait. I don't know how he got those pictures. Steve, wait. Steve! Babe, at least just hear me out, eh? I don't know where. Hey! Steve, wait now. Honey, open the door, let me explain. At least let me explain. Wait, just wait. Steve, please, I beg you.
You had all night to explain, but you could not. It is too late. Pack your things and leave this house. I know this used to be your house, but it's now on my name. By the time I come back here, I don't want to see you. Pack your things and leave. It is over between us. If I meet you here when I return, I will disfigure your face.
Please, okay, just wait. Steve, wait. Honestly, wait. I don't know what that guy is. I don't know what he is.
You already know I'm the new CEO of this company, but that's not the point. Ella is no longer part of this company.
Sir, why? What happened to her?
Did I tell you that anything happened to her? I said she's no longer part of this company.
And who is no longer part of this company?
You. Because you're a chronic cheat.
Wait.
It's over. Pick your things and leave.
No, you're high on cheap drugs. My father's company?
Sorry, darling. It used to be your father's company.
No, you will stand up and get out.
Don't forget my name. It's on the papers.
Get this man out of his office now.
Go
Ma, please, can you... Let's talk outside. Let's just set everything out, please. Let's settle it outside.
Are you stupid? I say get him out. Come on.
Respect yourself.
Are you crazy? Will you come and get this man out of here now? Steve!
Madam Ella, please, let's talk outside.
Move her now. You want to lose your job.
Hey.
If I say that again, you're fine. Move her.
Let me call the police. You're crazy. If you touch her, are you mad? Get out of here, nonsense.
I said move her. You slap her back.
If you touch me.
Madam Ella, let's talk outside.
Are you crazy? Come on. Wait, let me call the police. I'll come back for you.
Outside, let's talk.
Madam are not yet back. By this time, this is almost 10 p.m. and their numbers are switched off.
See, you see wetin time they talk? By this time, Oga and Madam never return back here. I mean, call them, because as it be like this, I don't tire, I won't go sleep. I don't stand there tired, I don't wait tired. I won't go sleep, I beg.
Don't you have phone? Call them with your phone. Your problem is to go and sleep. You're not even bothered if they're alright or not. Selfish woman being.
See, you wait I don't like no just try and insult me. If you want to insult me, tell me say I'm mad.
Waka here. You don't first tell me Waka, don't tell you back. I beg you go your duty post. Go your duty post. That is where you belong. Come on here.
Wait, you. Now shit you go shit where they smell my face.
And shit where they your hand.
I know they come out, Oya. Do your worst.
Hey! Again, you stand for that shit. You have my phone, no, I must call you. I will call Oga today. You see that shit? This your nigga when you know what's it. Oh no! I don't call her.
I don't arrange her.
No.
Wait.
I won't go call Oga.
You be wish!
You be wish that.
Man.
I will call her, mo. See what? See as it be. Go stand for that gate, oh. Make us sit down here and they wait for Oga and Madam.
Welcome.
Thank you. Oh my God.
Like it?
Babe, our new home is so beautiful. I love it.
You love it too.
I love it. Wow.
Yeah. Hey. Are you okay? Go down.
Welcome, sir.
You're very stupid. I said lie down. In fact, kneel down.
Okay, I don't think I'm before.
You saw me with someone. Not just someone, but my wife. I was expecting you guys to be shivering, rejecting. In fact, lie down and greet her. But no. You're telling me, yeah. Are you sick?
Good morning, ma.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Breaking news. Good morning. This is my wife. Whenever you see her, prostrate. Are you listening to me?
Yes, okay.
Accord her the respect she deserves.
Yes, okay.
The other one is what I call Old Testimony.
What testimony?
I caught her with another man. She cheated on me. And according to tradition, that means bye-bye. So she is Old Testimony.
Okay.
I hope my message is clear.
Yes, sir.
Because I hate repeating myself.
Very clear, sir. Very clear.
Oh yeah, don't move an inch
Okay,
until she passes.
Okay, sir.
Honey?
Thank you, babe.
Welcome, madam. Welcome.
Stay like that.
Okay, sir.
Don't move.
Okay, sir.
You can stay for me.
Okay.
I love that.
You love me.
Okay, I think carry the bag. Come inside now.
After 5 minutes.
Okay, okay.
See you. Why you like that?
You say? Why
Why you like that?
You don't hear what your guy talk? He said this one when bring supposed to be in wife. Say the other one cheat on them. What do you want make I do?
Which wife? Just dey mumu yourself. Very soon, now squat you go dey squat to the server.
Why you follow me like that?
I know like that, na kneel down.
Okay, kneel down and lie down. Which one be the difference?
Na kneel down better.
Why you not stand?
I don't stand now.
You be your Ghana, I be your madam. Which one you be?
Go keep that
Your
bag. Go keep
if did there.
Nah, go keep. Where they carry this one?
girl? Mercy! Where is this girl? Mercy! Auntie. Hold on. You mean you were inside and you allowed me to stress myself calling your name? Are you trying to tell me that you didn't hear me calling you?
I was busy with something.
Will you shut up? Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? You were busy with your miserable life? What is wrong with you? Let me warn you. The next time I call you twice, you will lose your job. Did you hear that? What do you have for lunch?
Jollof rice with salad.
No, I don't want that.
I am done cooking.
Will you shut up? I'm talking and you are talking back at me. Are you okay? I'm talking and you are talking back at me. Do you want me to slap you again? I want white rice with sauce, with enough chicken. I and my husband want to have lunch.
Okay, ma.
So go inside and get to work. Move it. Leave! Shoot! Angela, you have come to possess your possession. You are not the boss. I'm in charge.
Now, which kind problem be this one? Eh? Which kind problem person enter for this house? Eh? Now once in a day person dey chop. Imagine me, chief security officer in this place, and they chop only once. Eh? Since when they carry that witch enter this house, so once person dey chop for this house. Eh? Which kind of people blow these ones?
Okay.
Eh?
There is problem.
Problem?
Yes.
What did you have?
I overheard Oga last night telling that prostitute he brought home that Oga's daughter was kidnapped 3 days ago. It's like they've killed her.
Hey! My madam. Now why they carry that witch enter this house?
No, they shout. They shout.
Which kind of problem is this one now?
What is going on there? Eh? I said, what is going on here? What are you both discussing? Hey! Come. Kneel down. I said, kneel down! Oh, you people are discussing about me. So you don't have anything to do again in this house, rather than to discuss about me. Hey! Will you shut up? I'm still talking. No, I'll kill you there. Yes. So you don't have anything to do in the kitchen. You are here discussing. No, you're gossiping about me.
No, ma.
Okay, what were you discussing?
I was asking him about the plate he ate with last night. Where is my plate now?
Not true. I don't know where the plate is. Backyard front. I don't. Not true. Shut up.
Now both of you should listen to me. I hate gossips. Did you hear that? I hate gossips. So both of you should avoid me in this house. Yes, avoid me, else you will lose your job. Trust me. Avoid me, oh. If you want to do your gossip, better go elsewhere and do it. Just avoid me. Now go back to your duty post. Leave!
My plate, I want to wash it. You want that plate, oh. Get my plate.
Look at them. Dirty pigs. Look at this thing. Gossiping about me. You people should be careful with me in this house, oh. Be careful with me in this house. Huh? You don't know the kind of mother you have. Rubbish.
Yes, babe.
I don't think I can handle this company. Yes, it's too big for me. Listen, I think I have to sell it off.
No, babe.
What?
Selling it is not an option. Instead of selling it, why not get someone who can manage it?
Yeah, I think you're right.
So it's this man and this woman. I tried my best to stop them. They came in here by force. I tried my best to stop them, but they forced themselves in.
Where? This place, please. I have come to assume a place in my brother's company.
Yes, babe.
Yeah. Now listen. I heard my niece was kidnapped and dead. Okay? And I've come to assume my place in this company as the CEO, and I want you to hand over every file in your possession now!
You have 5 seconds to leave, else you are there.
Hey, take it easy. That's not a call, you know. This guy is a crazy guy.
Hey, thank you.
Are you serious?
Yes, ma'am.
You're going to boom me.
Who?
Are you expecting anyone?
Who? Jesus!
I thought she was dead. You wicked man. You bastard. Imbecile. You ungrateful thing. You even had the guts to bring in these sluts into my father's house. After you framed me up with that stupid man Brown. Steve!
Steve? You're shocked to see me, right? I survived your bullet. Yes, I did. My secretary saved me by alerting the neighborhood, and I was rushed to the hospital. But for God, I would have been dead today. I'm sure you can't deny that. For your information, I recorded every single conversation we had in my office the very first day you came and threatened to kill me if I refused to change the names on Chief's documents. Bravo, Mr. Steve.
What did we do to you, Steve? What did my father and I do to you? My father gave you everything. I literally had to step back several times to let you be the man. I sold my birthright to you. I was there for you. I gave you everything. My blood, my sweat, my soul, my body. I gave you everything that belonged to me just to make sure that you succeed. How did you pay me back? You had to take away my father's life. Steve, you killed a man that made you what you are today. A man that gave you hope. A man that picked you up from the gutters, cleaned you, fed you, gave you shelter and gave you hope. You have no human empathy. You're heartless. Steve, I gave you everything. What did I do? What have I not done? What did I not do for you? I was there in trying times. My father warned me several times to stay off you, but I didn't listen because I thought you loved me. You and my uncle have been the issue we've had this entire time in this house. Okay, fine. I knew my uncle was a devil, but who would have thought that a man I slept next to and I woke up next to would be the one to ruin me? You're a devil. Just so you know, this man, he's amongst the men that you sent to kill my father. He confessed. That's him. That's him. And my uncle sent men to kidnap me. Thank God, God is God. One of them saved my life.
Please go now. You have to go now. The man that sent us asked us to kill you. But I was shocked when I realized who you are.
Kill me?
Your father was a good man. Please go now.
Who asked you to kill me? Who is that? Godwin,
Please go now.
That's my uncle.
Please go now. If my second find out that I'm setting you free, he will not be happy.
Thank you so much. God will bless you. Eh? What's your name? What's your name?
Go, just go.
Which way? My uncle's now in the police station. He's going to spend the rest of his life there. And that's where you're going to from here. You won't only go to jail, you will spend your life in hell. I will make sure of that.
Please, yes, sorry.
Shut your mouth! Shut up! Take him.
Please, I'm not part of this. I'm not part of this. It was all him. I'm not part of this. I'm innocent. I'm not part of this. Please, I'm sorry. Please. Hey. Obviously, I'm not part of this. I'm not part of it. I'm innocent.
Be careful who you give your trust. There are so many friendly enemies. They're lurking in the shadows, waiting for the right time to strike. Be careful who you mingle with. There are so many friendly enemies. They're hiding in the shadows, waiting for the right time to strike. And they are dangerous. They're just waiting for the day they will bring you down. They are dangerous. Those friendly enemies, beware of them, 'cause they are dangerous, dangerous, dangerous. They are wolves in the coat of sheep, like a dangerous. They're waiting for the day to strike.